and quality. There's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpet family. The Delpet family. The Delpet family. The Delpet family. The Delpet family.
Welcome back to the Delpet family, guys.
Yes.
So we are here in Ocho, Rios.
Yes.
Alright, we're actually staying at an Airbnb.
So this is our family weekend, and we can't wait to show you the place that we'll be staying for the weekend.
Yeah, guys. So we're actually here in DraxHall. Alright,
Yes.
DraxHall Country Club is the name of the community. Alright, so this community is quite nice, very chill, very quiet.
We'll give you like a little sneak preview into what it looks like. DraxHall Country Club, located 15 minutes from Ocho, Rios, developed by Chemtech with 272 2- and 3-bedroom units, has a clubhouse equipped with a pool, gym, tennis court, and a kiddies play area. Though most units are sold out, you can find units being resold on the market for approximately $30 to $40 million. So this is the entrance, and I like it, you know?
Yes.
Yeah. Nice shaded area.
Yes, yes.
Welcome to the living room, kitchen, dining room, everything in one. It's an open concept, and I like it.
Yes, yes, quite nice. And
Yeah.
I like the color contrast.
I love this color over here, and I love the gray tone that is used, and I like it.
Yes, the gray, this very light gray, contrasts very well with this brown, or it's like a peanut butter, or you know, what kind of color that? Chocolate.
But it looks brown.
Yeah.
But it could be a ginger.
Yeah,
like my
possible.
hair.
Yes, yes.
Ginger,
it match, yeah.
Yeah, it could be a ginger there.
Yes.
Ginger people.
Yes. Some nice modern design with the cupboards.
Yeah.
Alright, very minimal, very clean lines. And of course this double door refrigerator.
Yes.
This double door.
I like the cupboard up above.
Yes, at least there, you know, have enough storage.
Exactly.
Because, you know, coming out
exactly
for the weekend, you know, we're doing some cooking.
We're doing a lot of cooking.
Right.
So we have enough food.
Yes.
We have cooked up enough food. Hopefully we're not getting too much weight. So we started packing out some of our stuff already.
Yeah.
So yeah. So we got all of our meats and stuff in the freezer.
Yes.
We're gonna need ice.
Definitely we'll be needing that, so we can just set some of that.
We'll be needing ice. So I like the fact that they gave us like a food range stove.
Yes.
A very similar stove to the one that we have at home. Just a different brand and the same microwave as well. I like the cupboard spacing. I love cupboards. You know, I love storage space already.
Yes. Right, so they didn't cheap out on the storage at all, the cupboard.
And the counter space.
Yes.
And I like the sink space.
Yes, very deep.
Yeah.
If you're washing a lot of dishes, you know, it's not uncomfortable.
Yeah, it seems kind of industrial like, you know?
Yeah,
the depth
yeah.
of it and the width, but I like it.
Yes.
Especially because it's only one sink, it's not the dual sinks. You definitely need a big sink. So more counter space. And this is really good, you know?
Coffee maker.
Yeah, all you
toaster
stuff
oven.
that you need over this side, over here.
Blender. The works, you know, all that you will be needing.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Definitely. I love the spacing of the unit of this as well. So if you look at the ceiling, we have tray ceiling with recessed lights, which is really good. And I love this right here. So we're getting a lot of light coming from outside.
Right.
A lot of light. Because think about it, like if outside of right here, we don't have a lot of other light coming in. So this is an awesome idea to have this.
Right. And again, the open concept makes the space a lot bigger than, you know, it seems a lot bigger.
Exactly. So if you had everything closed up, then the place will look kind of small. And I love the fact that they have the grey on this side, because that opens up the room as well.
There you go.
Make the room look a lot bigger.
Right.
I love this table as well. So I just put it into the whole table setting, to a dining room, so you can actually have a good, you know, good old fashioned dinner.
Right.
table experience.
Right.
That's really good.
Right.
That's really good.
And of course too, they have a little counter space right here with some bar stools. So I mean, if you're staying a couple of you, like two, like if it's just two of you coming for breakfast, right? You have this, quick and easy access. Yes, quite.
And it's a 2-bedroom apartment. This is the living room. So all the hanging out supposed to go on right here. So
yes. The TV stand here
really
mounted,
creative.
very minimal. All right. Take up as less space as possible. Everything is well tucked, right? The cable boxes, I'm sure, is on the back of this thing. Everything is tucked away quite neatly, out of the way.
Yeah.
All right. Yes. So less chance for accidents. All right, and it's very, very comfortable. You have your center table and your couch. Right, very, very comfortable, and of course there's a workstation here as well, because I mean sometimes persons will be staying at your Airbnb and they'll be needing a workstation, so they have this here, quite convenient.
So it's a 2-bedroom apartment. So this is the first bedroom or the master bedroom.
Yes.
So we have our master right here. Very simple bed, but I like the spacing as well, because you can fit your king size bed here with your 2 side tables and still have enough space to go around the room.
Right.
And you have enough space for other furniture as well. So I do like it. And I like the fact that we have a lot of windows.
Yes,
again.
yes. All of 3 windows, which is nice. You get a lot of natural light. You get
I love natural light.
air as well if you need that. Yes.
I love natural light.
And I mean, these side tables complement the bed very well.
And we have our walk-in closets right here. So it's good. Really nice.
Plenty of towels.
Yeah.
Extra pillow, everything that you would need, even robes.
Yeah.
Yes. And even in this area, there's the recess lighting as well.
Yeah, that theme is following through.
Yes.
Yes. And I like the bathroom as well.
Right.
Come take a look.
The sink is mounted quite nicely onto this cupboard.
Yeah.
Alright. Gives it a nice modern upscale look.
Yeah.
The whole thing. And again, these greys matching with the greys in the kitchen.
Following through with the theme, right?
Yes, following through with the theme, quite nice. This shower enclosure, all glass, going around, not just one slab to the front, but it's a whole enclosure.
Yeah. So less possibility of water splashing out or wetting up the entire bathroom.
The tray ceiling again,
follows
consistent right through, sheetrock here meeting with the shower enclosure.
Yes.
Right, so again it gives a nice upscale finish. This tile, so the whole shower area is tiled, right? Even the floor tile. Yes, so this is bathroom 1. There are actually 2 bathrooms here.
Yes, so this is bathroom number 1. Let's go to bathroom and room number 2.
Yes.
So this is the entrance to room number 2. And we have straight ahead the bathroom. And of course this bathroom will be shared with the living room and this room number 2. So if persons come to visit and so forth. So in this bathroom, it is smaller than the other bathroom, but I do like the spacing that they have here as well. It's very functional and practical. So you have a smaller sink, but of course it's still practical and functional, and it follows through the theme of the entire house as well. And a similar shower as well.
Yes, this is smaller, so the main bathroom is bigger, right? So hence.
And this is fully enclosed as well.
This door, we didn't even mention the door, but here it gives a nice, appearance, a frosted door. All right, and the shower, the fixtures here in the bathroom, they're elegant, standard but elegant. All right, and of course the water drain looks good. Everything, the finishing is excellent in here. That's all I'll definitely say that. The finishing is excellent.
And in this room, you have your queen size bed with your 2 side tables. Yes. You still have a lot of space to go around this room, so
definitely.
that's also very nice as well.
Definitely. There's a slide closet.
So though it's not a walk-in closet, we do have a closet. Nonetheless, sliding doors. Take your time. Yes. Like that. So it's really nice. So we really do appreciate the space that was provided.
And the consideration that the homeowners took in putting this place together, right? Very nice, thoughtful finishing, and of course to
let in natural lighting.
The workmen that did the work here as well, they are quite skilled, right? The finishing is excellent. The walls are well rendered, yes. And of course, the ceiling fan here, again, consistent throughout the apartment. Right, they have one in most of the areas around. We quite like it. So exiting this secondary room, there's this wall piece here, right? You know, adds a little bit of life to this space right here, right? And even so, we'll be going now to the back patio area. All right, Jaden's here on the outside. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Yes. So. This is the back patio, right? It's afternoon hours now. The sun is literally laying down here. But this enclosure, it looks good.
Guys, we are so happy to bring you this house tour. Alright, so we're preparing for our weekend. We're getting settled in. It was great bringing this video to you.
Yeah, guys. So, everyone, basically, you know, you can follow us on Instagram.
Yeah.
All right, and do hit us up on Patreon as well if you have any questions about Airbnb. You can always become a Patreon. Right, link will be in the description as well. All right, we do have a Facebook page.
Yes.
The Delprat family on Facebook. Right, just search for us on Facebook. You find the Delprat family.
Yes.
All right.
All right, guys. So remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright, it's bye from the Delprats.
Yeah, guys.